Who invited you? Cause everybody stopped and stared when you walked into the room. Life ain't fair and you prove it to me every time you do your thing on 'em. I wanna put a diamond ring on you. All the things I do to make you mine. Girl, what you tryna prove? Yeah, you outclassed, outswag, no, cause then you right next to you. And I'm out right wondering if I should go and make a move on you. Well, I got nothing to lose, that's true. But ooh, I haven't felt like this in quite some time. So who invited you? More than their Botox, cursor or rentals and bottles are paid by a horny promoter who's just spending daddy's money to get laid. Yeah, cause that's always the motive. I don't care long as they stay on the way. I just wanna know you got to this day. Who invited you, baby? I'm just trying to see what you can do, baby. I'm just trying to see the way you move, baby. I'm only thinking about you, baby. It's too smooth, baby. I've been trying to play it cool, baby. Got me sweating, got me in a mood, baby. Move, baby, baby. Hey, who invited you?
I can't stop it, lit the fuse. You're probably confused, I am too. But you won't treat me like you did before. You wanna be used, baby. So come on with me. Hey, you wanna be choose, baby. There's nothing here to see. No, you're right, I didn't hold it down. Out of time, cause I'm back on my bullshit. Don't get closer, don't get closer. Don't get close, cause I'm back on my bullshit. Hold on just a minute, I've come too far to finish. My work here's never done. I'm taking back all my time. Once I find something better, baby,